Winter is here, and you know what that means. Frosty windshields, icy roads, and cold starts. Starting your car on those freezing mornings might feel routine, but did you know that some habits can seriously damage your car? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down the 7 most common cold start mistakes that ruin your engine and how to avoid them like a pro. Let's save your car some unnecessary pain and keep you cruising this winter. Firstly, let's understand what is a cold start. Cold starts are when a vehicle's engine is started after being off for a prolonged period, typically when the engine and oil are at ambient temperatures. Mistakes during cold starts can cause long-term damage to your engine. Let's discuss the common mistakes people make during cold start. Mistake number 1. Revving the engine immediately after starting. Many drivers feel tempted to give the engine a quick rev after starting, especially on cold mornings, thinking it warms up the car faster. Unfortunately, this does more harm than good. When your engine is cold, the oil hasn't yet fully circulated to critical parts like the pistons, crankshaft, and camshaft. Revving the engine increases RPMs and creates stress on components that lack proper lubrication, accelerating wear and tear. Instead, start the engine and let it idle gently for 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the oil to flow and lubricate moving parts before you begin driving. A little patience goes a long way in preserving your engine's health. Mistake number 2. Skipping warm-up time in cold weather. If you start driving aggressively as soon as you start your car, especially on frosty mornings, you're asking for trouble. In cold weather, the engine oil is thicker and flows slower, which means parts of your engine may not be fully lubricated right away. Additionally, the metal components in your engine expand as they heat up, but sudden stress from high RPMs or heavy acceleration while they're still cold can lead to microscopic damage over time. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups, but easing into driving is crucial. Drive gently for the first 5 to 10 minutes, keeping your RPMs low. This gives your engine the chance to warm up evenly and ensures your oil is flowing smoothly to protect every moving part. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong oil viscosity. Your engine oil is the lifeblood of your car, but using the wrong oil viscosity for cold temperatures can spell disaster. In colder climates, oil tends to thicken, making it harder for it to reach all parts of the engine during startup. If you're using oil with a viscosity that's too high, your engine will struggle to get the lubrication it needs, increasing friction and wear. Always check your vehicle's manual for the recommended oil type. Many cars suggest lighter oils like 0W20 or 5W30 for winter, as they flow better in low temperatures. Mistake number 4. Ignoring battery health. Cold weather is brutal on car batteries. When temperatures drop, a battery's ability to produce power decreases significantly, making it harder to start your engine. If your battery is already weak, you might find yourself stranded with a car that won't start. This also puts additional strain on your starter motor and ignition system. To avoid this, test your battery regularly, especially as winter approaches, and replace it if it's showing signs of aging. Clean the terminals to ensure there's no corrosion interfering with electrical contact. A simple precaution, like parking in a garage or using a battery warmer in extreme cold, can save you from morning headaches and unexpected breakdowns. Mistake number 5. Not checking coolant and antifreeze levels. Your engine's coolant system isn't just about preventing overheating. It also stops your engine from freezing in cold weather. If your coolant levels are too low or the antifreeze-to-water mixture isn't correct, you're putting your engine at risk. Frozen coolant can crack your radiator, damage the engine block, or clog essential components. Check your coolant levels regularly and ensure the mixture is a proper 50-50 blend of antifreeze and water, or as recommended in your car's manual. Never ignore coolant-related warnings, as repairs from coolant issues can be expensive. It's a small check that goes a long way in keeping your engine running smoothly all year round. Mistake number 6. Scraping frost without turning on the defroster. Been there, done that. You're late for work, the windshield's frosted over, and you're out there scraping away like your life depends on it. Some of us even resort to weird tools, spatulas, credit cards, you name it. But here's the thing. This isn't just annoying, it's also damaging. Instead, start your car and turn on the defroster immediately. It works like magic. While the defroster heats up, you can scrape frost with ease. Or, better yet, use a proper ice scraper. Bonus tip. Throw a frost cover over your windshield the night before. It's a game changer. Mistake number 7. Using accessories immediately after starting. Turning on your car's heater, defroster, lights, or even blasting music the moment you start your car might seem harmless, but it's not. When you start your engine, your battery is already working hard to power the starter motor. Adding extra load from accessories strains the battery further, potentially leaving insufficient power for the ignition system. Instead, start your engine first and let it stabilize for a few seconds before switching on any accessories. This simple habit reduces battery stress and ensures your car starts reliably even on the coldest mornings. All right, folks, those are the 7 most common cold start mistakes and how to avoid them. A little extra care goes a long way to keep your car happy and healthy during winter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car tips. Drive safe and stay warm out there.